Today I'm serving gorgeous Jayda Wayda-inspired protective style. We're talking a sleek half Fulani half crochet look using Italian curls. Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bubbles. It's cute, classy and super easy to do once you follow these steps. First things first, we are starting with a freshly washed deep conditioned hair. Make sure your hair is moisturized but not too greasy. You want it soft and manageable for parting and braiding. Next, we're going to part the hair, starting at the front section out the amount of hair you want to use for your Fulani braids. This should go from temple to temple across your hairline. Clip the rest away. That's for the crochet section later. Neat parting is key here, so take your time, make sure those lines are clean. Now let's get into the Fulani detail. Depending on your vibe, you can go with 6 to 10 small to medium braids going straight back.
I try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you remain, it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shy, 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 yo.
For the Jayda Wayda flavor, I'm doing 8 sleek cornrows right in the front, clean, stylish and symmetrical. You can apply some edge control or braiding gel to the patterns to keep everything sleek and smooth. As you braid each cornrow, you can choose to add braiding hair for a fuller, more defined look, or go natural for a softer, low maintenance style, just like me. Now that the front is laid, let's move to the back, our crochet zone. Cornrow the back section straight down or into a beehive pattern if you want a more versatility. I like doing simple horizontal cornrows from left to right. for a quick install. Tuck your ends neatly and secure them with a crochet needle. It's time for the fun part, installing those juicy Italian curls. I'm using pre-looped Italian curl crochet hair, about 3 to 4 packs depending on your volume preference. Take your crochet hook, slide it under the braid, loop the hair through, then pull one end through the loop and secure with a knot. Super simple. Alternate directions as you go to keeping it looking natural and full.
You beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Alright, honey gave me that, she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. So your villa, trespass on your weakness, all of your clean on your pillar. You better watch your back before she turn into a killer. Just review the situation that you call the winner. To be a true player, you have to know how to play. If she say a night, convince her say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. And if she claim her, you tell her, baby, no way. But she got me on the counter, saw me banging on the sofa. I even had her in the shower. She even caught me on camera. She saw the marks on my shoulder. Heard the words that I told her. Heard the screams getting louder. She stayed until it was over. Honey gave me that, she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
Send me the location, then I'll be right there.
Keep going until your whole back section is filled with bouncy, voluminous curls.
Another 5 years, you bring girls to his location. Don't
time.
I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly about it. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance. Doing 80 on the freeway, catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider, still I'm just a simple man. All I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International, player with the passport, just like a Latin switch. Get you anything you ask for, either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, favorite of my homies when we floss on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed beat. What my foes need, make some emojis, funk you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. It's time to give it to daddy sugar. Now tell me how you want it.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. To make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. Now my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. You bring girls to his location. No time, no.
She like them boys with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old range. I knew it when I rock big old chains. Not a little doing big old things. Would you look at that? I came back for it, just to get to you, like you asked for it. Man, that thing in them jeans too fat for it. Rebound, so I caught her off the backboard. I told her, baby girl, come here. Know I run the town even when I ain't from there. And I brag hardly, but just to show up at this party I made with your making one, yeah, that's unfair. But so is life, take a chance, roll the dice. Money can't buy your love, cause it's overpriced. Don't overthink, just hope it's right. I'm only here for the night.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. To make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. Now my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. You bring girls to his location.
Yo, Cash, you made this beat?
Adam Cash on the track. Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
Once all the curls are in, fluff them out to your liking. You can separate some strands to make the hair even fuller and give it the effortless body. If you want a layered look, feel free to shape the ends using scissors or razor. Just snipe carefully. Lay those edges using a little edge control and your favorite edge brush to swipe them into place. You can keep it simple or go for the full baby hair drama, whatever suits your style. And that's it. Boo! A stunning Jayda Wayda-inspired half Fulani, half crochet style with soft Italian curves. It's giving vacation, it's giving luxury and protective too. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more hair tutorial, and let me know if you try this look. See you in the next video. Mwah.